Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this. Class 2 and Class 3 cables listed as suitable for general purpose use with the exception of risers, ducts, plenums, and other spaces used for environmental air shall be type: is it A, CL2P and CL3P, B, CL2R and CL3R, C, CL2 and CU, or D, PLTC? This is a question on which I outsmarted myself, and I'll show you why. Now we're going to go up and look for class in the index. Okay, here we are in the index, and it says class 1, 2, and 3 circuits, and it says see remote control signaling and power limited circuits. Okay, so there's two choices. You might say, yeah, but it's sending me here and there, and you know, we want to find the answer in one place. Well, see, here's what I did. I know when you got the class 1, 2, and 3, it's also similar to these hazardous classified locations. So I went straight to hazardous locations, and I thought I was taking a shortcut, and I started looking for cable types. And I was on the wildest goose chase through the index when I was looking at these. Now in hazardous locations, you've got class, and you got Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, and then you have our normal, these are called actually Hindu Arabic numerals. That's a historical point for you, class 1, 2, and 3, or the normal way that we're used to writing them. Okay, now let's look at this though. If it's in a hazardous location, having it remote control signaling would be something that you would want to do so you don't have to go into the hazardous area. And also power limited circuits. It might be a lower voltage because just in case there's some kind of spark or something that opens up, you don't want as much power going into something that could be corrosive or explosive. So what we're going to do is look at, in the index here, remote control signaling. We're going to go there first. So here we are at remote control signaling and power limited circuits. So we're giving some numbers here, Article 725, and you start looking around here. Okay, here's class 1 circuits. Okay, but we wanted class 2 and 3, so let's go down and see what we find. Oh, we find here class 2 and 3 circuits are grouped together. So let's start looking and seeing what we can find with these things. Right down here at the bottom, see where it says listing 725-Roman numeral 4. Our question said class 2 and class 3 cables listed as suitable. So let's look at 725-Roman numeral 4. Here we are at 725 Roman numeral 4, listing requirements. Now it's talking about markings of class 2 and class 3 type PLTC cables. Now this PLTC was in our answer choices. Let's go back and take a look at our question real quick, because I want to point something out which I forgot to do when we started. Okay, here we are on our answer choices. Okay, and we see class 2, class 3, and here's some cable types. Now, it might be a good guess. CL2 could stand for class 2, CL3 could stand for class 3, and the P could have some other meaning here, okay? And same with R and R. That's something you might want to look at. So when you get a listing of class 2, you might want to pay attention to that. So now, let's go back to our code book. So we're back at 725-Roman numeral 4 listing requirements. Now if you look at this, these were two types of cables listed in our answer, and it said these shall be listed as being suitable for use in ducts, plenums, and other spaces, but the one that we're looking for has the exception. It's suitable for general purpose with the exception of those. So we know that those types of cables, it's not correct. So we're going to have to go down a little bit Okay, now type CL2R and CL3R. Okay, these are also listed in our answers. If we start looking at this, though, it says that it shall be listed as suitable for use in vertical run in a shaft or from floor to floor, and it'll have fire-resistant characteristics. Okay, now it's said in a shaft. We're looking for something for general purpose use. This doesn't appear to be what we're looking for. Let's come down a little bit. Okay, now here's type CL2 and CL3. Now on your answer there was a misprint. It said CU. It should have said CL3. If we look at this, type CL2 and CL3 cables shall be marked as type CL2 and CL3 respectively, and be listed as suitable for general purpose use with the exception of risers, ducts, plenums, and other space used for environmental air, and shall be listed as being resistant to the spread of fire. Okay, this is almost word for word of what our question is asking, and the types of cables that are allowed are CL2 and CL3. So this right here should read CL3, and your copy of the test which you downloaded on the PDF file has this correctly as CL3. So this makes our answer choice to be C. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this. If you find this video helpful, please consider donating using the PayPal link below. Thank you.